Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a one product store on Wix. Now, you'll typically start from the Wix studios and sites here. Now, the thing you just have to do is go to create new site. And on create new site, you want to click on use Wix editor. Now, you might not have this option if you don't have Wix Studio right here. On that case, you don't have to worry. When you click on create new site, it'll just automatically use Wix editor. Now, let's just go to Wix editor right away. Now you can start with AI if you like, but I'm just going to set up without chat. Now the thing we want is of course an online store, right? So let's just click on continue. Now it'll say preparing our dashboard. So just give it a second. Now you'll see first we'll be setting up our store. So our store will be one product store example. Continue. Let's now answer this depending on what you actually do. So I'm just going to say, no, I'm just starting out. It'll be physical products. And then it's an online store. And then that's it. The initial setup is done. Now from here, first, since it's a one product store, we'll naturally only be selling one product, right? So we'll actually need to set up only one product. So let's head to our catalog and then let's go to store products and then on products. Now on products here, you'll see that Wix already has a couple of pre-made products made for you, just as an example, right? I'm just going to select all of these. And I'm going to deselect this one shirt product to pretend that this is the one product I'm selling on our store, right? Now, all of these previous products, I'm going to click on more actions and I'm going to click on delete and then delete. There you go. I think I accidentally deleted the shirt product as well. No matter. Let's just make a new product. Let's do a physical product. On the physical product, I'm just going to call this shirt. Let's just remake what I accidentally deleted earlier. The pricing, it's 11111. And then it's in stock and it's 111 as well. Great. I'm going to click on save. There you go. Now we have our one product made right here, right? Now let's actually make our website. Let's design it. Now let's go to setup and then let's click on design site. On design site, you can generate with AI if you'd like, but I'm just going to customize it with a template. So let's pick a template. Now on pick a template, ideally pick something that matches the vibe of a one product store. So for example, here, there's a t-shirt store. There's a lot of variants here, right? So it won't really be a match for our one product store. So let's do something like this. So this gift shop one, let's click on edit to use this template. Wait for it to load. Great. Now that it's loaded, you'll see it'll be installing a couple of stuffs here for a second. Now that it's done, you'll see that we have the core of our website made. You'll see that right now it only has one product. You can change this. You can change how this behave as well. You can change how everything looks. You can match the vibe of what you're trying to look for. You can look up reference online to customize this website. You can customize it by adding elements here. There's a lot you can use. You can customize what's already here as well. But the main core and functionality of this website is finished. Now all that's left for you to do is to customize it to your heart's contents.